लेटेस्ट आइल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन के बटन पर क्लिक कर दें ताकि हमारी हर नई आने वाली वीडियोस को आप बआसानी देख सकें। अच्छा जी, हेयर आई एम गिविंग यू वन क्यू कार्ड। जो क्यू कार्ड इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, नया क्यू कार्ड है जी, ये वाला ये आया भी है। वो है क्यू कार्ड आपको डिस्क्राइब अ फॉरेन कंट्री यू हैव नेवर बीन। ठीक है,
ओके सर।
ओके, हियर इज योर क्यू कार्ड, यू कैन मेक सम पॉइंट ऑलरेडी बना चुके हैं, पॉइंट हमने सेव टाइम करने के बना लिया था एंड यू हैव टू स्पीक ऑन दैट। तो इसमें क्या होता है, 3-4 क्वेश्चन लिखे होते हैं, प्रिंटेड फॉर्म में दी जाता है आपको, और प्रिंटेड फॉर्म के नीचे जो क्वेश्चन होते हैं आपने फोकस रखना है उसके। 4 क्वेश्चन है तो आपने 3 मिनट बोलना है, तो यू हैव टू डिवाइड योर टाइम एज वेल। तो आखिरी वाले पे ज़्यादा बोल लीजिए, कोशिश करें पहले को डिफाइन किया, दूसरे को रेलिवेंट करके बोलें। जैसे हम लिसनिंग उसमें बात कर रहा था मैं कि हम जब राइटिंग के हवाले से देते हैं, तो अगर टॉपिक जैसे आया था डू यू लाइक टू लिसन म्यूजिक, अब आप म्यूजिक पे हाल लिखेंगे तो नंबर नहीं मिलेंगे, यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन दैट। वो साथ था डू यू लाइक टू लिसन इंटरनेशनल म्यूजिक, ट्रेडिशनल म्यूजिक, तो दोनों पे लिख के उस पर कंक्लूजन में देना। ओके, गो हेड प्लीज।
ओके सर। सर, आई हैव नेवर बीन टू एनी country yet, but in future I would like to go to UK because it's my dream destination too. And I have selected the university. It's also in Birmingham. Okay, and I always dreamed to visit like UK because I always wanted to get my higher education from there. Like Birmingham is a nice place to visit because it has like different structures, different churches you can visit, historical places, museums, and different kind of places. And I would like to go to Birmingham because there are 25 different cultures are living there. Okay, so because of that you get a vast variety of foods and different things to explore. Okay, and because of that thing you can get different exposure, like most exposure, mind exposure you can get from there because you are living with different kind of peoples like in a community. Okay, so because of that you get a nice exposure. Okay, and in like Birmingham is also a more expensive city than others like London or Manchester. Like the minimum wage, the minimum expense of a student there is about 1,000 or 1,200 pounds. So that's more expensive than other cities.
When are you expecting to go there? I think so.
Sir, I would sir, I would be going there around
September intake, something
yes
like
sir,
that.
September intake.
And which is your final date, by the way?
Yes sir.
Which is the final date, by the way? For
I'm not
you're
yet confirmed about that because university has like issued me PCAS, like an offer letter. So the starting date of my course is 7th of September 23.
You have to be there up to
Yes sir, in September, before September.
Of course, after 15 days at least
Yes,
you will
sir.
be there. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to ask some question. Okay, thank you for the enough Q card. Now the follow-up question is, say something about the tourism development in Pakistan, facility, services and the effect on environment. अगर आपको समझ आए please repeat the question. Pardon is the proper word. तो मुझे समझ नहीं आया, repeat कर दें. Okay, fine.
Sir, let me tell you about the tourism here in Pakistan. Like after 2013, the Nawaz Hukumat left, the government that left. Okay, when Imran Khan came into the part, so he worked on that because tourism is a biggest thing, economy thing that can help to improve a country's economy. Okay, so he worked on the structure of the tourism. He created different kind of policies and different guidance centers for the tourists. Okay, in Pakistan you can visit, like in north we have very wonderful areas, Honza, okay, see China border and different type of places, and like most of tourist destinations are in north in Pakistan. Okay, after that the effect on environment. Okay, if we like see that, so if we work on our green areas like green belts and different kind of things, we can improve our environment. Like nowadays there is a environment thing
well you know करके ऐड कर लिख रहे हैं इसको, ताकि आपको सोचने का मौका मिल जाए। होता प्रॉब्लम इज fluency is good, but the problem when you stuck somewhere you can use that chunks word मैंने लिस्ट दिया आप लोगों को जी।
As you know, all around the globe we have climate disasters like different earthquakes and things like that. Our glaciers are melting day by day because of the pollution around us. Like in Pakistan there is so much pollution. If we grow different if we grow trees in large numbers, we can tackle that thing. So the last government worked on that best.
Okay, fine. What is the importance of travel and tourism industry?
And the importance of travel and tourism industry is like much more important than any other thing because it can boost your economy in one or another way. Okay, so if we can, so we should like our government should have some like criteria for that, and we would like to work. We will work on that. Okay, so we can be able to boost ourselves. Okay, so in this way we can create different jobs, like for some of the other peoples. Like if we make a restaurant there and on the northern areas of Pakistan, so we can create a job for him or her, like they can work there and earn their wage for daily basis. Okay, so that's
Fine. Next question is, what do you think the function of tourist guides in your country?
okay. So I guess so. The function of tourist guide is like as the function of computers are in our daily lives. Because if we visit a place with a blank head, we cannot enjoy that thing. Okay, so if like I visit a place or a castle or something like that in northern areas of Pakistan, we have Baltic Fort or something like that. So I would not get the history. What was the importance of that place? Why it is here? If I would have a guide with me, he will tell me about something different. So that will acknowledge me and will be best for me. So I will be able to know that this place has this long history. So that's the importance of a guide in our lives or like in tourism industry.
ओके फाइन, दैट्स गुड. देखा ऑडियंस आपने कि माशाल्लाह ने बोला अच्छा भी थोड़े इसमें लाजिम फ्लॉस हैं. वी विल ट्राई टू कंप्लीट ऑल दिस थिंग. अब हम चलेंगे नेक्स्ट जो है यासिर की तरफ एंड वी विल सी कि क्या उन्हें तैयारी है. थैंक यू.